Okay, guys, so for lunch or my main dish today is pinangat na pompano. I got this from Goldilocks. Actually, Papa John got this from Goldilocks. Thank you, Papa John. And he already have his palabok. So let's try this. Now, when you eat this with this kind of fish, it's really big. So you have to eat it with your finger. A lot of bones. So extra careful. Mmm. It's delicious. I have to let's go eat. Eat with me. And here I have leftover green beans from yesterday. Pickled onions, jalapeno, carrots. My all-time favorite. Pampano, they always put bok choy in it. That's really good. Mmm. I hope you guys are doing well. Now, if I get really hungry, extremely hungry, so you're gonna see me eating my hands or something. Today, this pampano, it was not really that big, but it's perfect. It's like a BB pompano. But golden, I think I like pinangat na pompano than grilled or fried. Just my choice. How I like them cooked. Anyway, had a lot of chores today. But we made it home and I said, oh, what should we eat today, Baba? I said Filipino food because I'm wearing t-shirt. Pinoy Filipino. Proud Pinoy. And this is so perfect what I'm eating because I'm having Filipino dish. How are you guys, Philippines? I know you're sleeping when I'm eating. But I hope you get to watch it. I grew up in the Philippines. I don't remember eating this kind of fish. We have a lot. Isda sa bato, mga danggit, sa bato, tuna, pulyoso, of course my favorite squid, lumayagan. Let's try the jalapeno, baby. The soup in this one is really good. Now, Papa John was asking me what's in the palabok. So I look in Pinterest. I think the sauce that they're using is a fish stock and fish sauce. But they also use a lot of so many ingredients in there. It's really interesting. You know, simple garlic, onions, and then they also use ground pork. They put a lot of garnish in it. You could use crumbled citron, tofu, shrimp, eggs, boiled eggs. Yeah. Again, when I was growing up back home, We never had that kind of food. I guess because we're so poor. My parents could not afford it. Even Filipino spaghetti. So when I crave something, I'm not thinking about palabok or Filipino spaghetti. I'm thinking about fish. So let's flip this because I finished the other half. You know, I will eat all of this. So the head, if you do not like watching me eating the head, so please turn around. This will take 1 minute. And then you can come back and watching after 1 minute. Super labas. It's very fresh. I think that's why I like Goldilocks. Pompano. Pinangat na Pompano. Bless you. Oh, burping. Whatever you're eating must be really good, Baba. Okay, you can come back home. Onions. Really good. Yeah. Be careful when you're eating the whole fish. Any kind of fish. It has a lot of bones. I'm really enjoying this. You know me, I love my book child. Really good, yes. And then, I'm almost done. Looks like I'm not going to be able to finish this. And let's save it again for tomorrow. Honey, I hope you're okay. You're making a lot of noise there.
Well,
Are you okay?
I'm going to take a nap if you
Alright, so let's have my drinks. Okay. This is on sale right now, so this is my favorite. Another drink. No soda. It's just lemon flavor, sparkling water. I think I have a little bone in my throat, but I hope it goes down.
No.
Yeah, that's the danger of eating fish with bones. That's why I don't give this to Papa John. Dangerous. Oh man, I would end up going to General Hospital and get my throat checked. Knock on wood. Where's the wood, honey? Do we have wood? And see all my doctors over there performing upper endoscopy for foreign body removals. Oh God, I think I have a bone in my throat, huh? I think it went down. I hope. All right, let's eat again. I'm sorry I didn't even. Let's eat with me, okay? Okay, guys. Thank you for watching. Love you.